back to Beauties of Africa.
And today we are going to show you a hornbill which you had been hearing a voice like
it was so cloudy
It was
and
a
a nice
great
climate here.
hornbill. It was
a
cloudy
nice
time
day today.
Sometimes hornbills would come on the front of our house and start doing kaka kaka. My mom would always take her phone and run. I'm like, yeah, it's time. So guys, it was a rainy time that time, and we all were going to
Mom, me and her, we went to Acacia Mall.
mall, our favorite mall. Yeah, and we went there and we enjoyed a lot from there. It was too rainy actually.
Yes, we walked in the rain too.
We would be saying huggy huggy, like when you hug together, the umbrella will hold both of you. So we used to say huggy huggy every time,
And it would keep us warm. So
yeah, so we're heading to Acacia Mall. So we went to Banana that time, and there were no things which we really wanted, so we went to ShopRite that time. Oh yeah, and we're heading to ShopRite because we are going to buy all the yummy foods and do ASMR without a mic. So we are going to head to ShopRite. As you can see, a S there and a H there and a O there. And you will see the rest later. Yeah, the rest are coming. So we're going to enter into ShopRite, and there's a juice section. We're looking at all the juices there, and I'm like, no, mango is better.
juices there. Yeah, I love mango juice.
Yeah, so I was saying mango is better, and we were looking at Lay's, our most favorite chips in the world. Next is Doritos, guys.
Well, that scratch is making me itch.
Guys, this is my favorite place in the store. There are donuts, yummy treats, cupcakes, and everything. And they look so delicious. There are cakes, of course. There are cakes in this place. And I was talking about something I went to. Something like that. And these are biscuits over here. Yeah, and we were looking at all of those yummy biscuits. And I was really looking at the colors of most.
biscuits, maybe
Yeah.
biscuits.
Yeah, most of the colors of the cookies or biscuits are so pretty. I really like it.
So guys, right now we're in the candy section, and we have some candies like the marshmallows, the eclairs, and
Skittles, her favorite.
yeah, and every other candy. We really love them, guys. They were looking so cute
And colorful.
Yeah, there was also Mentos, the color mix, and blue. Guys, my favorite.
I love this pink one over here. It looks so good.
Guys, look at the ice cream.
I'm feeling mounted. Wow, let's go.
I don't want they are.
Let's go to the toy section. All of the babies like it, right?
But before that, let's show the colorful one.
Yeah.
Now
it's chips time. We have Doritos, Lay's, and
Yeah.
Pringles.
Yeah, we have all our favorite flavors and all our favorite snacks.
I say chips because I love chips. And there are cookies, bourbon biscuits, our like favorite. And my most favorite is this cookies, which a boy in my class used to bring too much, and I used to borrow. These are all birthday stuff, guys, and look at this cards. This looks cute, kind of, right? Looks cute. Go ahead and these are also amazing. This is oats section. We always drink oats in the night. Sometimes, mostly in the morning. Then sometimes in the night we don't.
It's a porridge kind of section. Yeah.
Yay. And these are toy section, which most of the kids like.
Babies.
Yeah, babies the most because
Babies
they
love
toys.
toys. Look at this baby doll. I love her. It's so cute.
I wish there were kitchen sets too because I love playing kitchen, right?
Yeah.
All that shopping, we are here to eat, and we're gonna show you.
We are gonna eat.
ASMR without a mic.
Let's get it. It's yummy.
It's so good, guys. It's so yummy.
It's kind of mint.
I like the red one.
Yeah. So. That was a big bite.
After all the shopping, we were really tired, so we set up to eat the cupcakes and the donuts. We never had the rest, anyways. Our tummy will be full, so we started with the cupcakes. And welcome to our ASMR. So there is a red one, there is a green one. I think the green one was mint because of Sandra who ate it. I don't know the taste of that. Sorry guys if you're hurting your feelings. I'm really sorry.
And we are eating in front of your eyes.
We're sorry.
Yummy.
Of course.
Chocolate donut. Yummy.
I really want something like hot dogs. It looks so good.
I'm still on my donut.
Let me get this other side from this. This video has come to an end with our small little ASMR and all the
But I don't think it was really ASMR. We were
Yeah, but I hope it makes you feel like eating something. But that was it for our video. And if you like this video, please like, share, and smash that subscribe button. Bye!